Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Epic Games account on a browser. This is necessary because Epic manages cross-platform identities. Once logged in, make sure your Xbox credentials and two-factor device are ready, since Epic will verify ownership. Next, go to Account Connections Accounts and choose Xbox first. This initiates linking and explains permissions. You do this to authorize Epic to read platform progress and friends, which is required before adding PlayStation. Do not skip verification steps. Once the Xbox link is complete, confirm Epic shows the Xbox account under Connections. This prevents duplicate account conflicts. Next, choose PlayStation Network and sign in using your PSN details. Sometimes you must do this on the console, other times via a browser link Epic sends. Make sure you accept all permission requests so Epic can merge progress visibility. You're doing this in sequence, because Epic prevents direct Xbox to PSN transfers, unless both platform accounts are tied to the same Epic identity. You finish by confirming both Xbox and PlayStation appear in Epic's connections list. This is the final check that enables cross-progression and friend visibility. If something is missing, like purchases or cosmetics, unlink the most recently added platform and relink it after clearing cache and waiting 10 to 15 minutes. If errors persist, contact Epic support and provide account ID and timestamps. They can resolve merge conflicts. Remember, careful sequencing prevents duplicate account creation and preserves your items and progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.